South building po, that's our hotel guest rooms. We have 112 junior suite rooms po. And at the center of that building is the Olympic Size Food po. The Olympic Size Food po is the shoreline restaurant where you can have your breakfast tomorrow. 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. I will show you the easiest way going there po para hindi na po tayo pag-vlog.
Thank you. Ngayon, susulitin natin ang kanilang napakasosyal na coffee maker. And, ang ganda-ganda dito, yes. This is the balcony. At ang kaharap natin is yung kanilang Olympic-size swimming pool, yes. Diyan tayo mag-coffee-coffee, yes, habang nagbabasa ng libro or kapag umaga magme-meditation, di ba? Pagkagising, yes. Ganda dito.